Greetings all. You wanna know who I am? I'm a creator, just like you. You may ask yourself, what makes you a content creator? Whether you're a gamer, whether you're a voice actor, whether you're a musician, a composer, a messenger, a writer, a storyteller, or even a technical guy that reviews all sorts of unique gadgets. Whatever you choose to make your own type of content is up to you. Carve your own path. Create your own lifestyle. Create your legacy. Make history. If you have a talent or something grand that you want to share, then go wild and experience the ride of your life. So seize your moment. Seize your day. Seize your potential. And set yourself on fire. Show the world that you can rise. Be yourself. Be noble. Be what makes you a content creator. You are the messenger. You are the viewer. You are the creator. Want to witness more of my content? Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell to get notified on all of my uploads, and follow me on other platforms which are provided down in the description below. Be prepared every step of the way, because this is your time. I'm UltraSonicHero, and this is my YouTube channel. Join the resistance. The future of this platform and the community is up to you.